How to insert one row above on Google Workspace. Hello guys, if you want to do this option, first step, click your application Google Workspace and go to your document, or you can add document here in this option, so you can add no Excel file or no sheets file. So I will go to my document here and click your text here and click this option insert and scroll down, and here you can find insert one row above, or you can click insert one row below, or you can click left, or you can click right. Here you can add image, so don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.